Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor is the greatest fighter jet ever constructed. The culmination of a decades-long design and development program, the F-22 is the first operational aircraft in history to combine supercruise, advanced stealth, avionic synthesis and razor-sharp agility. Known as a fifth-generation fighter, the supremely capable F-22 Raptor defines air superiority and projects American air dominance throughout the world. Unlike previous fighter aircraft, the Raptor's revolutionary, very high thrust-to-weight ratio twin turbofan propulsion system with uniquely vectored thrust allows the aircraft to achieve both unmatched combat maneuverability and sustained supersonic speed without expending precious energy on inefficient afterburners. So the Raptor can basically fly faster, much faster, for longer because it burns less fuel. And due to a suite of advanced stealth initiatives, which include radar-absorbing skin, heat-reducing paint, internal weapons bays and active cooling systems, the Raptor is virtually undetectable by enemy forces. And as well as being super quick, super agile and super stealthy, the F-22 Raptor is also super smart. Owing to a remarkable fusion of sensors and sophisticated information processing technology, a Raptor pilot enjoys unprecedented battle space awareness and decision-making capability. This plane is simply unrivaled by any known or projected fighter aircraft. Of course, producing such a profound leap in warfighting capacity did not happen cheaply, with each F-22 unit costing around $412 million US. A total of 195 Raptors were built, 8 for testing and 187 for operations, with the final aircraft delivered to the United States Air Force on the 2nd of May 2012.